Welcome to another SmartTech TechDraw tutorial. In this tutorial, we will be constructing an ellipse given the ratio of eccentricity and the distance between the focus and the directrix. For this example, the ratio of eccentricity will be 2:3 and the focus will be 50 millimeters away from the directrix. The first step in this procedure is to draw a vertical line of reasonable length for the directrix and the horizontal line of reasonable length for the axis of symmetry. Then type O and hit enter to enter the offset function. Use the distance between the focus and the directrix as the offset through distance, then select the directrix as the offset object and draw the line to the right of the directrix. This line passes through the focus. Since the ratio of eccentricity is 2:3, the distance between the directrix and focus must be divided into 5 parts, with the vertex being 2 parts away from the focus and 3 parts away from the directrix. In this case, 1 part would be 10 millimeters, so 3 parts would be 30 millimeters and 2 parts 20 millimeters. Draw a 20 millimeter vertical line 30 millimeters away from the directrix on the axis of symmetry. This line intersects the axis of symmetry at the vertex. Draw an oblique line from where the axis of symmetry intersects the directrix to the top of the line at the vertex. Extend this line to a reasonable length. Copy the line at the focus. Select the line and then type the copy command and hit enter. Select a point on the line as the base point and then go to the array function using A. Put 11 as the amount of array items and use 10 as the distance for the next point in the array, making sure to have your cursor horizontal to the base point. Make another copy of the line to the left of it. Use the arc function, option center start end. Click on the focus for the arc center point. To determine the start point, place your cursor over the intersection between the oblique line and the first vertical line after the vertex, then move your cursor horizontally until it is over the vertex. You should see 2 green dashed lines, one vertical and one horizontal. If your dynamic input is on, you should also see the length of the arc indicated. Retype that number, then press Tab to lock it in and switch to the angle for the start point of the arc. Choose an appropriate start and end point for your arc. Repeat this for all the vertical lines. Once you've drawn all the arcs above the axis of symmetry, use the mirror function to draw inverted copies below the axis of symmetry. Where the arcs intersect the vertical lines are the points on the ellipse. Use the spline function to draw the loci through each of these points, including the vertices. Be sure to start at the top or the bottom. And that's it, an ellipse with a ratio of eccentricity of 2 to 3 and focus 50 mm away from its directrix. Thanks for choosing Smart Tech for your tech draw learning. If you found this video helpful, then like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you know when we upload new tutorials, and keep practicing.